Hello friends, my name is Abigail and today we're going to play a game named Poppet Dice Game. Yes.
Who will lose?
They will get the powder.
Yes.
And who will win? They will get
Think.
Fruit Loops or chocolate, Kit Kat chocolate, banana or Milo.
Okay, let's start.
Yep.
Okay.
Right.
One. Like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Three.
Three.
1, 2, 3. Why am I so happy?
Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I know I'm going to lose.
Five.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2.
I already know I'm going to lose.
6.
1, 2,
Wow,
3,
Abby.
4, 5, 6.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1.
1. 1.
1. Oh, it's tough.
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2.
2. Please be safe. 1.
5.
5 will okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just need one.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I need 6. I need 6. And I got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, shit.
Fruit Loops. I want the Fruit
So, which one you want?
Loops.
Okay.
They smell good.
No, I will do it myself. Maybe next your turn.
No, of course now. Let me just take that off.
Okay, it's okay. Yes. Okay.
Perfect. You got 5 and I got 5.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5. Wait, that's 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. 1, 2, 3,
ऐसे भी कर.
4, 5. Did I do 5?
Look at this. 1.
1.
2. 4.
4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's some hair in my pocket.
6.
What? Papa? 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 Papa?
Again. 6.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 1. Again. 1.
Yeah.
1 again.
Oh my god. There's almost gonna be a tie.
3. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your turn.
3.
3. 4. 4. 4.
It's 1. And I got 2. 1, 2.
3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 1 again. 5. 2. 3. No. 5. 2. Oh, again 1. 2. 1. Please 1. 1. Yay! I winner.
I'll just take it.
Okay. Just a moment. Just first. I will get chocolate. Okay, Milo. Okay. Let's see who will win chocolates.
Like me.
2. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, What? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Papa. So much on
It's
your
a-
nose.
And you was 5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time I got 6.
No, you get 1. Give me.
No! I got 6, so I did 6. Like that.
Okay. 1.
I think I got 5.
1.
But it's okay. I will
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 2.
2.
3.
1, 2, 3.
1.
1.
1. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Papa. Why you do like this?
4.
1, 2, 3.
4.
4.
1.
One.
1.
And Papa, wait. More in order. 1.
2. 1. 6.
Papa,
1, 2,
no,
3, 4, 5, 6. No, no. This is not cheating. This is not cheating. This is not
Okay,
cheating.
fine.
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Okay. I need 5.
And you got 6.
2.
2.
1.
Oh my god, what was that? What was that? Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, shit.
Looks like you like it. One minute.
Okay.
So guys, I've been 2 rounds, 2 prizes. I have so many prizes. I'm so happy for this Papa got prizes for this one. His face is not happy, but it's okay. He looks like a clown, and I look like a clown also. But I'm gonna show it off.
Yeah, okay. I will clean my face now. Hope you like our videos and please like, share and subscribe our channel.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.